Hello, this is Asher. Today I'm taking the metro in Athens, Greece, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So, the metro was built very recently in 2004 for the Olympic Games. There's only 3 lines, as you can see on this map. The direction that you want to go is depicted by the last station on any line, and that will tell you where you want to go. Let's head down into the station. First thing you need is to grab a card from one of these machines. You can buy as many passes as you like, or you can buy a month pass. Today the station I want to get to is on the M2 line and in the direction of Amphilipoli. Let's go. There's clocks in all the stations, which tells you when the train's coming. Here it comes, right on time. Check out. Alright, ready to go. I like how the red line feels new and clean, but